Hi, I'm Olayole. In this video, I'll show you how to create a resource group and virtual network in Microsoft Azure. So, let's dive in. Make sure you're logged into Microsoft Azure portal. From the dashboard, click on Resource Groups, then select Create. Next, enter a name for your resource group. Just something clear and relevant. So here, I'm just going to put my name /RG for resource group. Here, we have the option to add tags to our resource group. I'll go ahead to add a tag for owner and set the value to my name. Let's add one more. Project as the key and lab as the value. Once that's done, click next to move on. On this page, all we need to do is review the details we have entered. So if everything looks good, we go ahead and click create to finish setting up the resource group. Our resource group has now been created. Now let's move on to creating the virtual network. There are a few ways to do this. We can click the create button at the top, search for virtual network using the search bar, or simply select virtual network from the dock toolbox on the left. Click on the create button to start setting up the network. Now select the resource group we created earlier. Next, we'll give our virtual network a name. I'm just going to give mine Olayole/VNet. For the region, I'll just stick with the default, which is the East US. And now we're in the IP address section for our virtual network. I'll just keep things simple by using the default group A IP address, and I'll assign that as my virtual network IP address. Now let's modify the default subnet. I'll just rename it to Olayole/subnet1. And here you can see the IP address range and the subnet range. Once that's done, click save. Now let's go ahead to create a new subnet as well. Click on add a subnet button at the top. We'll assign a name to it. I'll just name it Olayole subnet 2. I'll just click on add to add the subnet. Next is the tag section. This part is optional. I'll just go ahead to add a tag with owner and my name Olayole as the value. Once that is done, we'll move on to review and create. So here we'll review all the details of the virtual network and we'll deploy. So our virtual network has now been deployed successfully. Click on go to resource to view it. Under settings, you can check the address space assigned, connected devices. Right now we don't have any. You also find the two subnets we created earlier when you click on the subnet. So here you can see the available usable IP addresses we have in each of the subnets. If you found this helpful, connect with me and see you in the next one.